you having fun?
Yes? Good. We too. Yeah, welcome to the mystery, how did you call it?
Mystery challenge, I guess?
Mystery challenge, something challenging. Welcome to Robot Framework Jeopardy! Woo! So,
Maybe before we start,
yeah.
how does the gamification goes on your badge? How many stickers do you have?
One. I found my robot friend, but...
Do you have a selfie with 3 people that you never met before?
No.
So,
Oh!
Let's do it.
Can we please dim down this light here?
Yeah.
Completely off.
So it's you or me?
Yeah, we both.
I also want a sticker.
Can we have the headlights off? Can someone wake up the light guy? Those ones? Just pull the ones layer. That slider sounds good.
Just take a couple of steps there, so you're not.
Yeah! Woo! So, I think that will be a record today,
Yeah.
definitely. So we all will get a good selfie. Don't shake so much. So you also one?
Yeah.
Your phone?
Yeah, I also want a sticker. Let's switch sides.
Okay.
My left arm is a little
I'm
longer.
also, there's my chocolate side.
Raise your hands.
Woo!
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you very much. So what we have prepared is challenging, maybe, for the one or the other. You already have realized we have some Dutch people here, so we would actually like to invite our laboratory rabbits on stage, the Flying Dutchman. So big applause to the Flying Dutchman, come on. So it's 1, 2.
We need
Where are the 4?
people.
Oh, there's the 4th one. And Manana, you are also part of the Flying Dutchman. So, you remember your colors?
It doesn't matter.
No.
Or it does.
He passed out after the last try, so that's why my Nana take over.
Take a seat.
But you will now be called Gervin. No. Actually, we could make a slight change.
Shouldn't we reset the numbers?
Those are the numbers from Manana, like
No.
this, right? Yeah, that was enough. We also have, on the black corner, we have Frank. That's how you would write it in Germany. Then we have Mananana. And we have Kelby. And we have, as I have learned, Guido. So that's how you pronounce it, Antti.
You should
Okay.
say Antiti.
Antititi. He has 2 titties more than the others, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we up to YouTube algorithms. Can you beep that? Okay, however, so what we are playing is a Jeopardy game. As said, those are just the laboratory rabbits. We already tried it, so they have a rough clue what we are doing. Who knows Jeopardy not? So who has never heard anything about Jeopardy? Okay, that's quite few. So the basic principle is we are giving an answer, and the candidates here has to hit the buzzer once they know the correct question to that answer. You can already imagine what happens now, right? Who of you had already a Lonkero or 2 or 3? Okay. So I make an example. So, for example, we have here, we have 5 categories.
And 4 players.
And 4 players and 5 possible questions for these categories. And we have here robot framework numbers, so it has something to do with robot framework and with numbers.
And the increasing number means
Oh, yeah.
increasing difficulty of the question.
So
or
the 500
of
is
the answer.
The 500 is pretty hard, and the 100 should be super obvious. Languages, it's about robot framework translations, and you will see what happens. We have terms and pictures. We will not explain more. Then we have famous coders, and we have movies. Movies we already played, so I can just show here what that would be. You don't press. What would it be?
What's
Thank
the
you.
question for this answer?
Thank you.
Yeah.
What is Titanic? Not Titanic. That's not the question. Okay, you got the idea?
This is the answer. You need to provide a question.
Okay. So let's make some examples. We need a random number generator. Give me a random number. Okay, sorry, between 0 and 4.
Or 1 to 5.
2.5, so banana. You can pick a category and the difficulty of a category. You can also have, Kelly, could you assist with the handheld mic?
Robot framework numbers.
For how many?
1.
100. Okay. So the rules is it's just she selects a category. Whoever knows the question hits the button. And if you're right, you get the 100 points. If you're wrong, you get minus 100 points. Okay. You have maximum time until the music stops. Then I will pass the answer to the audience, okay?
And we get all minus 100.
Let's see. Oh. Yeah.
We forgot to add.
There are no tests, and it's written in T-Kinter, so sometimes it works. But I implemented some states, so it will recover at the same position again. So basically, I
So
dumped
it was easier to write the save feature than the test, right?
That what now, Frank?
Yeah, it's 7.0.
What? Okay.
What's the question?
What was the question? Yeah, that is now Kelby. You have a handheld mic?
What is 7?
What is 7? Yes. What is 7.0? This version is the current robot version. So, okay, Kelby, next category?
Robot framework numbers for 200.
For 200? Make it a little bit harder. This year, Robot Framework version 2.0 has been released as open source. Yeah?
What is 2008?
Yes.
Or maybe what happened in 2008.
Yeah, but I think that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine, but
Close enough. Okay, let's do something like terms and pictures, right?
Yeah.
So that you get an idea of
100, yeah.
for 100. Let's try for 100.
Who created a robot framework?
Yeah, or who does he look like?
that's fine.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Let's say. Come on, some quick rounds.
Who talks a lot about the community?
Yes, and what's name?
Ed
Next.
Menlove.
Correct. How does Ed Menlove look like would be the proper one. Let's go. Let's be a little bit harder here. Ooh. And we are actually searching for the full name.
Who works at North Code?
No.
I think the intention is to put the name of this person in the question so that we know that you know the name.
So I think
Something like this.
I think they don't know the dude. So what happens when they don't know the dude? We give that question to the audience. So I want raising hands now. Who knows it? There, here. And next, last name? That's good.
Hey.
Who else? Stavrola? No. Come on, Timo.
What Ismo Aro looks like?
Yeah. What does Ismo Aro looks like? And who is Ismo Aro, Timo? Enlighten us.
He works for North Code.
He works for North Code. He had the mind-blowing idea of founding Robot Framework Foundation and executed that. Thank you, Ismo. Woo! So, I have my assistant, my beautiful assistant here. Beautiful assistant, can you come here? Yeah, you. And he has some nice stickers or badges. So when you answer the question, you get a badge as a gift. Or maybe if we are out of badges, you get a drink voucher. But it should be many questions on your side. Okay, did you get the rough idea? I will give you 2 other examples. The questions later will be a little bit more serious. Something like this, famous coders. And we want to know what he is famous about.
Who cracked the Enigma machine?
Who cracked the Enigma machine? Yes, Alan Turing. Correct. And let's do something harder. I heard it already in the audience.
Speak up a little louder. Say it again.
Shout it in. Kind of, yeah.
Kind of. Who is the father of computing?
Who invented the first or built the first generically programmable computer? So the SUSE Z3 was the first computer that you can program and it can execute these programs. Like the Turing machine was built for a purpose. But you get the point? Anyone still has not understand how to play the game, but want to participate? If you don't want to participate, it doesn't matter.
And you need to remember that he is the smartest person here during this show because he knows all the answers.
Of course.
So,
So what we do now? Oh no, we can proceed with demo. What we do now is we will pass 4 balloons into the audience. Where are my balloon helper minions?
Same beautiful assistant.
Where is the balloon?
Okay, let's do another question. How many people want to participate? Oh, did we explain the prize?
No, not yet.
No, not yet. When you sit here and you are pretty, on the one hand, very eager but still not very knowledgeable, then you will get a lot of minus point. Yeah, so if you're super motivated and pressing and give not correct answers, you will get very lot minus points. You get a mug, yeah? Not a Mac. That was a mistake with the rehearsal. I have to buy a new one now, but you get a mug, a coffee mug of Robot Framework for free. The second winner will get a very awesome beanie with a Robot Framework logo on the forehead. The third winner will get a t-shirt, and the first winner, so first place, second, third, and so the first winner can pick whatever is in the merch shop, not everything, one piece, and participate on the final round. And in the final round, you're competing against Pekka Klerk, and you can win a free ticket for RoboCon Helsinki next year. Not bad, right? So who wants to participate? Come on! What? I don't want to play that again with the Dutch people here all the time. So, we don't have so many people. Then let's make different. We do the balloons maybe after they realize how cool it is. Just come to the front, and whoever is the first 4 people at Yanni there can play. So come. If you know about Robot Framework or not and are still fun, come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I mean, I expected that from the Finns, right? But I had really some belief in the rest. Okay, guys, could you come over there? You get some microphones. While you are wired, we still make 2 or 3 examples. Let's do. Languages is fun. So that is about Robot Framework translations.
What is test cases in France?
Yeah, or what is the test cases section in France? That is correct. Let's do that one. Oh, now it had again this hiccup. One moment. Happens from time to time.
That's why you need tests.
No.
What is test tags in Finnish?
No. Go ahead, Manana. Yes.
No.
That's not a question.
What is test tags in Finnish?
No. He already said. Banana. Hit the button. Oh no. Ah.
What is test tags in Swedish?
Correct. Okay.
So of course, if the question is for 500 and you say
You
you
hit
give incorrect answer or question, you get minus 500.
Yeah, that's how Manana ended with minus 400 now.
So
Yeah.
still someone, if someone can have 0 points and everyone else has minus, you still can win.
Yeah. So if you just not play, you could have a
You can
chance,
just sit all the time there and you still can win. You have a chance.
Okay. Was ist Schlüsselwörter?
What is keywords in German?
Correct.
Yes!
They're fine.
Okay. So thank you very much. We have the participants wired. So just put your buzzers on the chairs and.
This is for your effort. Hey, come on, Frank. Banana.
We're missing things.
Thank you very much for the Flying Dutchman. Applause. Yet Finnish water is a little bit like, not really transparent. So now we start. You can come up, pick a color you like. Big applause.
So maybe one round of Dima or we go with the... Okay. Do you want to change the names?
Oh yeah. So can you please, we start from red. Can you please say me your name?
You should know my name.
I know that name. I'm starting typing it, but tell it the audience.
I'm Rico.
So Rico. Rico has made a very awesome online talk last year or the year before. I'm not sure.
Year before.
The year before about the eggplant library, like testing railway stuff. Who's blue?
I'm Michael. Hi.
Michael?
Yeah.
Like Michael?
Yep.
Okay. Then green.
Rohit.
Okay. Okay, Rohit. It's not. Okay.
Yes.
And I'm Tim.
Tim. Okay.
This is going to go badly.
Do you have any questions?
Do you know the rules? You understand the rules?
You understand the rules?
Yes.
You understand the risk?
Yes.
Yeah.
This will be on the internet.
Are you ready?
You have signed the NDA, right? Did they sign the NDA? Yeah. Okay. Good. So I will briefly introduce the categories. We have a super cool pain in the butt category called ISTQB glossary. You will get the glossary definition and has to say the correct term that is named in the ISTQB glossary.
I tried it, it's not easy.
It's, but it's somehow related to a test automation. Then we have again terms and pictures. Here you get a picture. We want to know the question for the term behind it. We have robot command line options. So you should know them pretty well. Robot framework functionality. So for example, if I show you an if statement, you should say, okay, how does an if statement look like? Something like this. And then we have robot ecosystem projects. So stuff that happens in the ecosystem from easy to tough. Are you ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Are you thirsty?
Yes.
Can you give me
You have water
Finnish
there?
water or normal water?
Finish, please.
Finnish water, please. Someone else? Some Finnish water or normal water? No?
Normal?
Okay. You know that this is, how do you say it with golf when you're bad? You have the handicap? Okay, then I would say, let's start. I need a random number between 1 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You may start and select a category and a value of that.
ISTQB 100.
ISTQB for 100. Oh, tough. Okay, 3, 2, 1. To the use of software to perform and support test activities.
What is test automation?
Bingo! What is test automation? That was the easy one. Okay, Rico, go for the next.
Let's take ISTQB glossary 200, please.
Okay. The work product to be tested. Yes, Rohit?
What is the system?
The system? No.
No.
Unfortunately not. Okay, that was Rico.
What is the system under test?
No, it's not in the ISTQB definition like that.
Damn.
Test is part of it. Anyone here in the room giving hints? No. Do you have a clue or should we give it to them?
Hand it over.
I think they don't want to raise the points.
Yes.
Okay, shout me something.
What is the test object?
Correct!
Nice.
Yeah, that's...
That was still
I
easy.
feel with you.
As I said,
That's easy.
ISTQB.
Okay, 300. A collaborative approach to develop in which the team is focusing on the delivering expected behavior of a component or system for the customer, which forms the basis for testing. There is one magic word in here that gives you a clue. So a development approach where the team focuses on the delivering. Yes.
What
Tim?
is test-driven development?
It's kind of a subcategory of that, but not. Do you want to try again?
No.
One last time.
I have no other idea.
It's pretty in the middle, the magic word. Seriously centered.
The acronym is widely known,
Was,
I would
what,
say.
what did Stavrola said? It's like green and a side salad? Yes, Rohit?
The requirements.
No.
What is the requirement?
No.
No.
Oh, yeah?
I'll give it a try. What is behavior-driven development?
Yes!
Right.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't. What do you want to have?
Terms and pictures 100.
Terms and pictures of 100. Yes.
What is the V model?
Or how does it look like? Correct. Next question. Next category.
Okay, I think I'll go for Robot Framework 100, please.
Robot framework for 100. A variable containing the absolute path to the directory where the test data file is located. Oh boy, that's the 100. Yeah?
What is the test path?
A variable. We are searching for a variable name in Robot Framework.
Yeah, it's a built-in one.
It's a standard variable.
Yeah. Any clue?
Should we give it? Oh, okay.
Is it Kardar?
Yes.
Yes! What is cardier? That's basically word by word. So if you... Pekka, you know, like that's word by word from the user guide explaining what that thing does.
Yeah. If you don't understand, it's Pekka's fault.
So if you don't understand, please help improving the user guide. Okay, but that's correct. Do you want to have the next category?
Robot command line options?
Robot command line options for
500.
500.
500. Whoa!
Nice.
So you definitely have the respect of all if you get that one. It exists. I didn't make it up.
In the previous version of Robot Framework, of course.
It was not yet. It's not yet deprecated. Pekka, can you confirm it exists? Do you know what it
Can
is?
someone try?
Should we give it to the audience?
Sure.
What is it? Again? Ed? What is with tags? No. There, Marcus? What is the console with? Or how do you set the console with?
Yes.
So next round, Marcus is on the stage. Okay. I need a random number. 4. I got a 4. It's Tim. Tim, please pick.
Robot command line options 200.
Robot command line options 200. Okay.
What is that,
That
command line option to declare a variable?
Yes, correct. Variable. Rohit, go again.
Command line option 100?
For 400?
100.
100. Okay.
What is the command line option to redirect the results or to store the results?
Yeah, to redirect the results or set the results or set the output directory. That's correct. Woo!
Nice.
So you're close to 0 again. That's good.
Terms and pictures for 200?
Terms in pictures for 200. Be quick pressing. Yeah, that's Michael.
What does the test pyramid look like?
Correct. What does the test pyramid look like?
Let's go for terms and pictures 300, please.
Okay. Oh, Rico.
How does agile development with Scrum look like?
With Scrum, that's the
Yes.
one. Yeah, right.
Nice.
Really good.
400, please.
400. Oh, here you have to read.
Yeah, it's.
You have to read to
not that
understand
easy.
that flow. So can you raise your hand once you know it in the audience and just want to look how hard it is, okay? We got already here in the front one idea, then in the back, in the middle, okay? Okay, so why didn't you raise your hand a few minutes ago already, like when I asked you on stage? Michael?
What's the workflow for test-driven development?
Bingo!
All right, let's go for Robot Framework 300, please.
Robot Framework 300. A special mode in which the tests are executed normally, but the keywords from the test libraries are not executed at all. Yes, Michael?
What is dry run mode?
Yes, correct. What is dry run? Okay, now it's good that you wake up.
Thanks. I'll go for Robot Ecosystem Projects 100, please.
Okay. These two are the most common web automation libraries for Robot Framework. That is Tim.
What Selenium library and browser library?
That is unfortunately wrong. The correct answer would be what is Selenium library and Selenium 2 library.
Okay.
But we let it count.
Thanks. That's generous.
Okay, go ahead.
Robot framework for 400, please.
If you want to run your test libraries on a different machine, or if you want to use a different language than Python to implement it, you might need that interface. So like you don't want to run them locally, but
Somewhere there.
not locally, but yeah.
What is the remote execution API?
Yeah, should we let it count or? Okay. What is the remote library API or interface?
Of course.
Very good. Pick another one.
Robot command and options for 400.
For 400, okay. Minus P, capital P. It starts with that character typically. And it's a capital P because it's a name, not just a gnome. Yeah. What sets the Packer mode in Robot Framework? That's correct. Should we give it to the audience?
Yeah.
Okay.
Time's over.
Time's over. What, there was somewhere? Raise your hand again.
Was hand there?
Okay, they're in the middle, blonde. Yeah, how do you define the Python path? So basically the search path where Robot Framework search for variables and resources. Yeah, Yanni is on the way. Great. Random number? 2. That would be Michael.
All right, let's go for terms and pictures 500, please.
Terms and pictures 500. Ooh, Rico.
What's a graphical representation of extreme programming?
Great. Very good, very good. Extreme programming, the grandfather of all agile development ideas. Okay.
Let's take ISTQB for 400, please.
An imperfection or deficiency in a work product where it does not meet its requirements or specifications. Yeah, Tim?
What is a defect?
Correct. What is a defect?
Well, let's go with ISTQB 500 then.
Okay. The activity that derives and specifies test cases from test conditions. That sound will stick forever in your mind.
Yeah. I can't focus.
Yeah? Shout it.
Anyone?
One word too much? Yes. What is test design? They were quicker than you were. Why is that pink now?
Yanni, where are you?
Maybe it was. One moment.
On batch here.
Okay.
Raise your hand.
Was it pink? Was Tim, right? But it's not pink. It was.
No, 400 is pink, 500 was.
Oh, right.
gray.
Okay, then we make it again. Can you, Tim? Can you press?
Sure. A
And then-
defect.
yeah, but you will get subtracted this 400 again.
So close.
So yeah.
Oh, you can do it like this.
Of course I can do that like this.
It's a feature or a bug?
It's a backdoor. Okay.
I think Tim was at 500, wasn't he? Because you subtract
Yeah, yeah.
500
Actually, I
instead
think
of
that's
400.
correct.
Should
yes.
be 500, right?
All these testers again. Nitpickers. 400, 500. Yeah, thank you for the correction. So who did the random number? One. Rico?
Robot Framework for 200, please.
Robot Framework for 200. It's a head-to-head race with Michael and Rico. Okay? Get ready?
You don't need to explain what's inside. You just need to define
What is the
what is it.
functionality here?
Was it in general? This.
Yeah, Michael?
Damn it. No, never mind. Sorry.
Try. You can only lose.
I mean, what's some JSON code?
No, it's not JSON code. Yeah?
How does a if-else loop look like? How does a if-else loop look like within the robot?
No, it's about the robot
How
framework
this contraction?
functionality. So
How it?
let's ignore what actually is inside, but more what it represents, kind of.
I'll try. What's a ternary statement look like in robot framework?
No.
Lost twice the points.
Or should we? No. Come on, I mean, is this robot code in the middle there, or is it, what is that thing? And why are there so many? It's not Lisp, but there's still a lot of brackets.
What language is it inside?
It's Python.
Okay, and does it use the evaluate keyword, or?
Rohit.
Oh, what does it?
It is a if-else loop.
Okay, Rohit, yeah?
How does a if-else loop, or how do we set variables within the single line? Or I just wanted to give a shot.
It's just a stupid.
Try to explain what that function does. I don't want to have a name. Try to just, what I mean, that's this feature in robot framework with the double curly braces. What does it? Double curly braces open, double curly braces close.
As I said, this is the smart guy, right?
How do we interpret?
Is it an evaluate statement?
Yes, it's a Python evaluation. Yes.
Python evaluate?
Good. So he said it's evaluate. Is it evaluate? He asked. Actually, that's a question.
How does an evaluate statement look like?
Was it a question? I think. Is it evaluate?
I would say let's keep it.
Good. Okay, we need a random number. Applause. So for all of those that didn't get it, so if you do dollar curly braces, that whatever is inside is a variable, right? But if you do dollar curly braces, and close them also, you can do Python code in the middle. So you have an inline Python evaluation. God. Cool feature, super cool feature. I love it, Pekka.
Do my points go up?
You can, again?
Do my points go up?
You got your points.
It was mine.
What,
Okay.
Didn't it? Was it Robot Framework 300?
Oh, okay.
Was it 300 or what?
I do think so. Yes.
Yeah, it was previously minus 100. Like.
No, that was not 300. One moment. 300 was forget it. It was 400. Let's make 500 or something else.
No, well, I see. Still, my score is negative.
Which one?
Minus 100.
Yeah, that's because you had something wrong before and then you did it right. I think. No.
It hasn't changed.
Okay, what was it?
It's minus 100 it was, and plus 400 it should be minus 300. Sorry, plus
so it was a 300 you got?
400 I got, so it should be
400.
300 should
So
be the
it's
score.
good.
So it's 300 right now, right? 300.
300, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm here just to see if
Yeah,
he's
just
doing
to see
good.
what I'm doing actually. I just didn't find. Does anyone know how you can test tkinter UIs? Okay, no robot library
Don't
for
use
that.
it.
Okay, then go ahead, say something.
Robot Ecosystem Project 200.
Command line arguments?
No, Robot Ecosystem.
Ecosystem for 200, okay. This extension enables Robot Framework to generate test cases based on a template and external data sources. Awesome library. Yeah, Rohit? So
I was
with
just curious and
data,
I just pressed. Let me give it a shot.
brilliant guy developed that stuff.
Generate test case based on a template and external data source.
You generate test cases on external data?
How does what does an template test do?
No, it's an ecosystem project.
It's
Oh, okay.
Ecosystem project for data-driven.
What is a data-driven?
I don't know.
How does a data-driven thing work with robot framework?
Okay, then negative? Yeah?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Okay, we go open it again. Actually, ChatGPT knows the answer of that. Okay. What is the correct answer? What is data driver? So Yanni, can you toss some of these stickers in the audience? Okay, go ahead for ecosystem for 300. Right? Or what else? Random number? 1, Enrico?
Ecosystems for 300, please.
Okay. This library is used to automate HTTP communication. Yeah? Tim?
What is the HTTP library?
Is there an HTTP library?
I guess. Is it?
Can someone look up this on PyPy? Is there an HTTP library? Do we let that count? Is there one?
No.
I think there is, but it stopped being maintained like 6 years ago.
So then no.
Okay.
Then I would say no. I mean, you're doing HTTP with it. Okay, audience? Okay, no, we have to coordinate this. 1, 2. What is request library? That's correct. Okay. Random number? 4. Tim?
Robot command line options for 300.
Okay. Arguments could be, for example, info or debug.
Or
How do you set the log level in robot framework command line interface?
Yes.
yes.
So how do you set the log level? Okay, it's still with a few 500s, everyone can win
Yeah.
still.
You can't play safe right now.
You scored and count.
Yeah.
So, Rico?
Rico's score didn't get up.
No, sorry, Tim was...
Tim's score didn't get up, I guess.
Again?
So,
Tim's score didn't increase, I guess.
yeah.
Yeah,
I think
okay.
It should be
increased.
800 now.
What did you choose?
Oh, no, I think we made the same mistake. I think we thought that was Rico, but it's Tim. So I think it's what, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Left is right and right is left.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but only for you.
Yeah.
Who am I and
Sorry,
if
the
yes,
point
how
before?
many?
Yes.
No, these are the points given.
So I should pick,
Okay.
right?
You can pick the category.
So let's pick a 500 in robot ecosystem project.
500.
Yes.
That's a hard one. With this web page, it is possible to write and execute real robot framework tests in the browser for learning and evaluations. Yes?
What does the robot framework playground webpage do?
Correct. The Robot Framework Playground. So you can access that at robotframework.org. If you go down, there's the editor. You can actually run Robot Framework there, or /code, or in the user guide, in the guides section. There are also runnable examples in it. Correct.
Then let's go for the 400.
And for the 400. With this Python utility library, it is possible to implement verifications in getter keywords. Or I could also say implement assertions into getter keywords. And the browser library uses that. Two, one. What is the assertion engine? Yes, very good. Oh, Tim, you really recovered.
Somehow, yes.
Yeah, now I would say now you should be. I mean, Michael and Rohit, you can just risk it, yeah. So you can just win. I mean,
Anyone can win.
except if you want to. Yeah, but the others can also fail. I mean, it can't get worse. So.
Still, anyone can win.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready, Tim? What are you choosing? Or who did answer? Yeah, Tim.
The
The audience.
right?
We need a random number. 4. That's Tim.
Well, let's pick robot framework 500 then.
Robot Framework for 500. It defines, an example, settings for all the suites and test cases / tasks inside a directory. So a functionality where you can do settings for a whole tree, a directory maybe. Yes, Rohit?
What does a global setting look like, or
And how do you define global settings? Sorry.
that applies across the suites or the specific directory or a suite setting? How
Yeah,
does
in
that-
the suite settings, but I mean for a directory, how do you define a suite settings for a directory? Do we give it a false and then try again?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
Okay.
There is a similar function in Python as well.
It's written very similarly. Yeah, here in the front. What is the init.robot or underscore init
It's
underscore dot robot? Correct.
Rolls off the tongue.
Huh?
Rolls off the tongue.
Okay, and the last category of the first round.
Last
So-
question.
Michael, I would recommend to risk it. At least, yeah, just risk it. Okay, what is minus W? No, we had that
We
already.
had that already, yes.
What?
If only I remembered. I've got
Yes.
terrible
Yeah.
short-term memory.
I heard it's going
I
to
think
become
we already
difficult.
had that, so we are done. So congratulations for our participants, but
We have 2 people.
yeah, we have 2 people. So now we will use...
No,
what
just
do we
change the score, manually.
use? Oh, that's good.
Remove 1.
Okay,
Give us a random number.
Money, you had other questions. What did you have as a question that I did not pick? Who is currently maintaining Selenium? No.
The answer.
This is, yeah. This
different
is,
one.
This is the current... I will use that question here, but you don't get that...
And now it's
no, one moment. It broke again. And sometimes it opens something, nothing. So, one moment. We will take this 500. And hear me out, and then you can press, okay? So, he is the current maintainer of Selenium library. Who is all the day talking about Selenium library here?
I'm so bad with names.
Okay, next question. Who is one of the maintainers of browser library? No, he is one of the maintainers of browser library. you make that your own.
So my question is, he's talking too much from the stage.
I wanna be honest. I'm a manager and I'm only here for the mug.
I cannot answer it, right?
Yeah.
Can I answer it?
You can answer, yeah.
It's of course you.
What's the answer?
That's not the
What's the
question.
for the
That is correct, but you anyway are not one of Rico and Tim. Come on, Rico and Tim. What is Matteo's famous for development? No, he's famous for that project that he develops that. No, okay. What are you doing all
I'm not
day?
famous.
Can we fight them to death or something like this?
I'm going to go out on a limb. What is robot framework?
No. Unfortunately not.
Yeah, well, I mean, doesn't
yeah,
matter
but-
at this point, does it?
I mean, he can still beat Rohit, but... Okay, one moment. We will exit that now.
Or
Head or number? Oh, damn, I'm in Helsinki. I have no cash money. Do you have cash money? You flip a
Nah.
coin.
I have some soft drinks vouchers.
Oh, yeah,
Do
okay.
you have a preference?
So if the value is on top, Rico wins. If the soft drink voucher is on top, then Tim wins.
What?
It's the value. Rico, congratulations. So,
Congrats.
thank you. That means Rico is first. Oh. Yeah, Tim is second, but so that works totally as planned, Matthäus. Okay, Rohit, when the €5 is on the top, you win, and when the soft drink voucher is on the top, Michael wins. It was actually the value was visible, so that was you, right? So, okay, you're third place, you got the mug, you got the t-shirt, you got the whatever you like on the stage, okay?
Have the mug if you want. Yeah.
Okay, you can change.
Give them a hand.
Okay. And even bigger applause for their courage to come here. Okay, who else wants to be totally intimidated? No, just kidding. You can go up, and please go to Mika. Where's Mika? Mika, somewhere there.
Let's go with the balloons now.
Yeah.
Do we have the balloons still? One.
Okay.
We have 4 of them.
We have 4 balloons.
2, 3.
After you are done, go to Mika, and Mika will arrange these gifts. Rico, if you like, you can send a representative, but then the representative will win the free ticket. Okay.
So now, please release the balloons to the audience, and
you
if
toss
anyone
them.
can, if you don't want to play, just pass it.
Toss
over.
it up.
If you want to play, just grab the balloon, but don't fight.
Come on. Toss it up to the next. No, you don't have to be scared. Just toss it. You don't have to bring it to the front. Okay, then we have one.
Yeah.
We have one brave
You
participant.
need to bring the balloon.
Pass it to Livio. He wants. Do we have another balloon? Livio, there is a balloon. Hunt it.
Go.
Come on, Livio, hunt it. There's a balloon.
Where is it?
Okay. So don't leave. Don't leave, actually. Don't go away. We make another raffle. You can win stuff. Okay.
So you go there, you get wired with the microphones.
And we promised...
And I think now is the time for the special raffle.
So
everyone who got the 8 stickers today, now it's our time to pick 5 winners. And we'll do it, of course, with Robot Framework code.
Because Robot Framework code is super readable.
And we, of course, have a lot of tests covering this script.
We tried it once, I think. So I made this kind of small script. Can you read it? So it uses browser library, collections operating system, and crypto library internally. So we have here our password crypted. Then we go to our ticketing system, type the secret, then promise to download the leads file, so the files that you get scanned when you have 8 badges. Then, because we have no proper maintained Excel library out there, except of a library that comes with a lot of balance once you install it, I used the pandas evaluation here to pick whatever is inside that Excel file. Then I used this awesome new var syntax to get the names in the candidates, which basically goes through all the rows and checks if it's a string. And if it's a string and there is 8 in that string, so that means you have 8 stickers, you are one of the candidates. Then we log the length of the candidates with this inline Python evaluation. And then we create a winners list with an awesome new var syntax. And then we iterate over 5 winner selection rounds, and we will pick a winner, but we have set some breakpoints here, and that winner will be removed from the list of candidates and appended to the list of winners and logged to the console.
Yeah, and because we are professionals, we are doing it with debug mode.
Of course, with a proper tool.
Let's clear the... okay.
What?
No, that's fine.
What did I do wrong?
No, clear the console, but that's fine.
So now it's decrypting the password, setting it in, downloading the Excel file, and
so
we are here.
Now we have a list of the... Oh, it's 115 people. Give them a hand. So we are going to pick 5 people. So, Rene?
And we have already picked a random number. Oh,
it's
that random number is good.
So give me the first winner.
You can see it already.
Where?
The random number is 0.
Oh.
And you can already read the first one.
Yeah.
So it's Livio Avram.
Woo! Come here.
So it's random, really. I mean, sorry.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Livio. You can just stay here.
Yeah.
Anyway,
you can
sit
sit
here.
Pick the color.
Pick the color you like.
Yeah.
So
what's the second winner?
Wan Ting Hien.
One.
He? Oh. can you come please to the front? Congratulations. I totally harassed your name, right? Yes. Okay. Can you please, where do we have the handheld microphone? Can you please say your name?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Wan Xie, and my nickname is Wendy. And currently, I'm working as a taste automation tester as a developer engineer at Nokia.
Thank you very much.
So you actually don't need to sit because...
But you can sit for a moment. That's fine.
One person will be standing. That's fine. So this first winner is Eric de Reed, or Rede.
I think is it Dutch? De Rede or? Rede. Okay. So Eric, come on stage. Congratulations for winning.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Hit F5.
F5?
F5.
This one?
Not this one. Yeah, this one. And we have
Matthias
Grabowski. Can you guess where he's from?
Do we have?
Where is he?
Matthias here?
Oh, there he is. Congratulations, Matthias.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
And
the last one.
Last but not least.
Alt F4?
F5. That's a Mac at Alt F4 does just nothing.
The last person
I think
is
it takes a screenshot.
Stan Daniela? Yes, Stan
yeah,
Daniela?
Stan, Daniel. So, what did they win?
So, you can go after this mystery change. Congratulations. So you can just go to the merge desk and pick one piece of something. Whatever you think, whatever you want.
So thank you for participating in the raffle. Also, you can go to Mika and he will take care of that. Yeah? We have your names here in the list. I will pass them to Mika as well. So thank you very much.
And now let's welcome the next round players.
The gladiators of the second round.
Can I read some of the questions? We can see the...
Yeah, that's
okay. So, names.
Okay. Now we need your names. Who has red?
Sami.
Sani. Sani with N or
Sami, M.
Yes.
M and
I? S-A-M-I.
Yeah. Then blue is leave you.
Yes.
Like this?
Yeah.
Krzysztof is green. Let me write.
Yeah.
Almost.
That's German. Even it looks like.
Can we have other domains?
Again?
Can we have other domains?
No.
No.
No. It's a bit nerdier than the last time.
Yeah.
Except of ISO 29119.
I don't even know what that is.
Benny.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so
Benny.
Right? Sorry.
A little bit.
Okay.
It's a bit harder.
So let's start.
So we have to be a little bit quicker because we are running out of time.
So maybe we'll go through 3 out of 5
I would
for
actually
each
just,
category?
No, I would just go through them, but I would just say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and if you have not hit, the audience does it. Okay, we do a speed round. Okay, I need a random number. 1, that's Sami. So pick a category. Categories are ISO 29119-5. Everyone knows that that's keyword-driven testing.
Yeah, it's obvious.
Then robot API. Then we have robot ecosystem. We have GitHub. That's my absolute favorite category. It's really awesome. You have to try it.
Maybe
we have
just this one.
Programming languages.
Let's take programming languages for 300.
For 300, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Christoph?
What is JavaScript?
Close. Close.
Do you want to try again? There is a colon string in this one. It's a type.
Very similar.
It's, what is
With types?
TypeScript?
Yes, what does TypeScript look like? Very good. Okay, pick a category.
So maybe GitHub for 200.
GitHub for 200. So we are searching here for terms in a GitHub context. A part of a tree which grows from the trunk and forms a bow.
What is a GitHub branch?
What is a branch? Correct.
Robot ecosystem 300.
Robot ecosystem for 300.
No.
That's API.
Oh.
That's API.
Not this one.
Ecosystem.
One
sorry.
to the right. Yeah.
Too popular. Okay, that was Sami.
What are robot code and robot language server?
Yeah.
Robot framework language server, correct. Okay.
Pick the category.
Robot API 200.
You want to read? You want to
Yeah. So an interface that allows to do custom modifications programmatically after parsing and before the actual suite execution.
Okay, that is Benny.
What's the robot running API?
Not runner, it's...
No. Right?
No. Yeah.
One more.
5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, Sami.
What is parser API? Robot parser API.
No.
So let's maybe
Let's go
ask
to
the audience.
Audience, yeah? Now, listener wasn't it?
I haven't heard.
No listener version 3. Pekka? What is pre-run modifier?
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, random number 2. Leave you.
Robot ecosystem 400.
Robot ecosystem for 400.
I'm not touching the first one.
This one?
I think I like this question.
A tool for linting and auto-formatting of robot framework code. Sami?
Yeah. What are
the tools?
Yeah. What are Robocop and Robo?
Not
tidy.
cleaning, but
what?
Robot tidy.
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Sorry.
And that's, by the way, what he is famous about. So. Okay.
That's why I didn't remember.
Not only he, but yeah. Okay, go ahead. Next category.
GitHub for 300.
GitHub for 300.
So the upper or front division of the animal body that contains the brain, the chief.
What is a Git head?
What is a head?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
But maybe another question. Head in capital case or
capital case?
Lower case, because that's different.
No.
That's fine.
Okay, go ahead.
Not the same head.
Robot ecosystem 200.
A place on GitHub where repos of robot framework community are shared.
What is marketplace?
What is marketplace?
Good. It's Market Square.
Oh.
Square.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. That was wrong.
Should we give that points anyway?
No.
You have a lot of friends.
You now need to fix the code.
1 moment.
don't have
7 minus 400, it's 300, right?
Wow.
No, he get
500.
minus point.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. What was that? It was this 200, right? We open it again.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Yeah, you can press. It was the same question. Not marketplace, but that was Benny.
What is Market Square?
What is Market Square is correct. So.
0.
Okay. Next question.
Robot API for 300, please.
It did.
It did.
He has 2 blue. Not blue. He was one false before.
It did
so
change.
300?
Yeah.
An API that makes it possible to dynamically specify what keyword a library implements and run them by using get keyword names and run keyword methods.
What is dynamic library?
What is a dynamic library API? Correct. Okay.
Oh, I have to start with the ISO 200.
I would just propose to skip that.
So repository containing a set of keywords reflecting the language and level of abstraction used to write test cases.
Could we agree all that we skip that category?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pick another one. It was a dumb idea.
Programming languages 200.
Again? Programming languages
languages.
for?
200.
200. Yeah, that's Christoph.
What does Python code look like?
What?
Python class.
No, Python, no Python. Who? Yeah, Benny?
What's an example of Java code?
Yes, correct. And go ahead.
Programming languages for 100, please.
No, it's just a matter of speed.
Yep.
Yes, Sami was quick.
How does the Python look like?
Yeah, what is Python or how does Python look like? Okay.
Let's continue with the same theme, 500.
Ooh. That example you have to thank Daniel. Oh, okay, Sami.
I'll try. What does C hash look like?
No. And I give it to the audience. Rust. What does Rust look like? Okay.
What the rusty code?
Random number 3. Christoph?
So maybe GitHub for 400.
GitHub for 400.
The point or place where something begins, arises, or is derived. Derived?
Derived.
What is a GitHub repository?
No. Yeah, that's Benny.
Benny?
What is a fork?
No, the point where it derived. Or it's more like the definition of the word itself. It's not really about the GitHub. But it's used, the term is used in GitHub. Audience? Oh, okay, wait. We got Sami.
What is root?
No.
No.
Origin?
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, who did say that? Okay, I got leave you with origin.
Yeah.
So he got 400. Wait a second, we just make it like this. Leave you, please press. And that was correct. Okay.
But
origin.
It was for 500, not 400.
No, that was the 400 one.
Yeah.
You got that 400. You had worse
okay.
100.
So it was deduced and now it's added again. Okay.
Yes.
No, it was not deduced, but go ahead. It's right. I wrote that code.
No,
it works.
I actually will not believe.
Wait, which one do you want to use?
Robot Ecosystem 100.
With 100?
Yeah.
A tool to...
What is Pabot?
What is Pabot? A tool that runs tests in parallel. Okay. Next one.
GitHub 100.
For 100. An implement of 2 or more prongs used for lifting food to the mouth or holding it when cutting.
Sami?
What is a fork?
Yes. What is a fork? Yes. Correct. Go ahead.
Get 500. I need
Git
to
for
get
500. This one is tricky. I will just warn you. It's basically two things combined to a word. You will figure it maybe out. I will give you a little bit more time. Cheers.
Inquiry to apply an exert force on something so as to cause movement towards oneself.
Okay, Benny.
What's a merge request?
Or in GitHub, it would be
a pull request.
Yes. Good. So an exert force to pull something to you. Okay. Select the next category.
A robot API for 100.
So an interface that provides a powerful mechanism for getting notifications and for inspecting and modifying data and results during execution.
Danny?
What's the listener interface
Yes.
for?
Correct.
Are you there?
We have only, don't worry, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And the final route we do tomorrow.
Programming languages for 400, please.
We can read it. Using C, semicolon, using C dot, system.io.
You forgot the space.
Using space, system dot link, yeah. Sami?
How does C+ look like?
No. Oh, sorry, that was right. No. Oh, and now it broke.
This is great.
Doesn't matter, you still got the point. One moment. So that was, which one was it? It was that one.
Sami
Programming 400.
400.
So, Sami, can you press once?
Yeah.
Can you once again? Press once again.
Once again?
Yeah. Okay, now you cannot do it again. Because you get 1+, now you get...
Yeah.
Okay. So not C++, but close. Yeah, Benny?
What does a Java program look like?
No.
C#.
What does C# look like?
There's this joke why developers can't C#. No, why they wear glasses. Oh, I broke it.
Because they can't Yeah, they are not spoiling the part.
Yeah. -1000.
Okay, Christoph, select category.
So maybe robot ecosystem 500.
Robot ecosystem for 500. A Python project that makes the creation of hybrid and dynamic libraries easier. Maintained mostly by Tato Alto.
Only he uses it. So he knows the answer.
Selenium library use it.
So he and Selenium library.
Faker library may use it in the future. Louder? Yeah, what is Python libcore? That's correct. Okay, oop. So we just take robot API for 400. One moment.
You have 15 minutes, that's fine.
Robot API for 400. Instead of parsing the output XML yourself, you should use this abstract class to conveniently travel the result object created with execution result factory method. Some also said it visits the result.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. It likes to travel.
Okay, Benny?
What is robot result visitor for?
What is
Yes.
robot result
Yes.
visitor? Correct. Okay, come on, Benny.
Last question, right? Who can win?
Okay.
So, yeah,
ready?
You still...
Steady?
Yeah.
Beat him.
A class decorator to control keyword discovery and other library settings. Disables automatic keyword detection by setting class attribute robot auto keywords false to the decorated library by default.
10, 9, 8, 6. Oh, yeah, Sami?
Keyword decorator.
That was not a question and wrong,
Uh,
but you're
what is
close.
keyword decorator?
Now you're close. See, it's a class decorator who controls keyword discovery and other library settings. Okay, that was Sami again.
I have nothing to lose, so keyword class.
No. Okay, a quick round. Okay, Benny?
What's the @keywords decorator for?
No, that was exactly what he said. And I think...
Maybe.
What is the @library decorator? No, I didn't want to risk it, otherwise they match up again. So, okay.
So we have a winner.
So we have a winner.
Review.
Winning by not competing.
Huh?
Winning by not competing.
Yeah.
That was my strategy also.
Again? Yeah, Sami's number is
it has
bigger
just
on
some
unsigned int.
Additional character there.
Huh?
It has just some additional character.
Yeah, actually they are strings, so that string is definitely bigger than Livio's string, so... No, so Livio was the winner. You can select another merge, so you can basically close your whole family today.
I think
a
I
hoodie,
need...
a hoodie for your wife, a hoodie for yourself, maybe some for your kids, and so on. And Christoph the second, then Benny, well done, and then Sami. Thank you very much. You have risked a lot and known a lot, Sami, so very good.
24 hours later.
Pekka, can you please shut the door? Don't let anyone out. So, okay. Yesterday, after 4 hours, some people started getting whiny because they were hungry and so on. So we stopped the game. We will now continue with the next 4 hours of the game.
And maybe, Rena, before we start, I just wanted to say one thing, because I messed up a joke yesterday, the one with Java developers wearing glasses because they can't see sharp, right? So I want to regain my CFO title. So I have one more joke for today, and I have it written here so not to mess it up again. So why did the software tester go broke? Because he lost his cash. Oh.
Yeah, yeah. I know your feeling, like you clap because...
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I tried my best.
Okay, so final round was totally different. We will explain it soon. Please come on stage, Pekka Klerk, Rico Feist, and Livio Avram. And a big applause for these awesomely brave winners of the last round, and also for Pekka. So. If he wins, he doesn't get a free ticket, right? Yeah, that's the point. You have to beat him.
He's not invited for the next year.
I mean, beat him and then you get the ticket, maybe. So, okay. So let's. I give you the. Okay, you have now multiple mics here. We won't let you talk anyway.
And you're also playing the game.
Yeah, and
So-
that's exactly the point. So we are now not. Pekka was pretty convinced that he will win, but it's absolutely not about knowledge about robot framework. So it has nothing to do with that. So it's about knowing you. And
Do you have the power banks with you? Because 4 hours for a phone can be a bit too long.
And it's about you. As you see here, we have questions. Please go to Slido directly with your phone. That would be best, not over the app. So just scan the QR code. The app would also work, but please then promise only to vote once, because otherwise it will completely screw up our results. And I know you're testers. Please. Just one time. Don't break anything, okay? Please, please, please. Okay, so please scan that. And it works so that we are... The question is locked at the moment. I will hide the results first. So we have a question here. Is Robot Framework the best automation tool out there? And you guys have the task of answering how many percentage of our current audience will answer the first answer. So we have yes and no. So you write a percentage value. Don't let Rico see it. Yeah? Write your percentage value that you think they will vote. Do it now. Write a big number on it. And then, if you're ready, make it something like this. Okay, so that we are sure you cannot change your writings.
Yeah, and you're voting right now, right?
Make 50.
No?
Make 50.
It doesn't work?
No, make 50. Just write it. It's just a test question.
And then I promise there are no bugs today with the game. So
now you can start voting. So put it away. You don't touch it. Come a little bit to the light. Come to the light.
Come here.
Come to the light. Yeah. So, who needs some time? Raise your hands. Okay, you're done?
Are you done?
Good. Then we will show the results.
It was supposed to be easy,
we can track
right?
them down, right? There was the possibility in Slido to track them down. And
Yeah. We have the emails anyway.
So, now reveal your numbers. Okay, I think, if I count correctly, Rico win.
Yeah.
Okay, so Rico would get that point. Congratulations, Rico. So,
but it was just a test. So.
Yeah, that was just a test. But now we make, and we want, so.
No points given.
Yeah, you have no.
I'm sure if he got the point, you had counted it.
No, you can shake our hands. Congratulations.
So, yeah, I will sign it later for you. Okay, let's do, we have, what was it, 50, right?
50 what?
50 questions.
50, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Something like this.
So, we will make 2 minutes time for voting for each question, and then we will have lunch. Okay, we saw it went pretty quick. So, are you from Finland? Please give me your numbers, and please start voting. Go. Are you from Finland? Yes, no. You say how many yeses we get.
Only the first, you guess the first response.
Always the first response.
Answer.
How many
How many person there will be?
Put it away.
Are you done?
No, don't show it, otherwise the people will influence it. No, put it like this. To you. The pen away.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's okay.
Okay, now they got it. Are you done? Okay. So we lock it and we show the results. And reveal your numbers. Oh. Pekka, very well done.
1 point.
Okay. Pekka got 1 point. Okay. Is this your first RoboCon? How many will say yes? You can also just use your hand. Just make.
Or you can use the same number all the time.
Yeah, that would be also
fine.
possible. Yeah. So
you
5.
You don't need to raise it.
4, 3, 2, 1. Pens away. It's still open. Are you done? Are you done? Okay, then I will lock it, and now you can reveal. Oh, that's leave you.
Leave you.
Woo!
Nice.
So, will you come again? Probably yes, probably no. Okay, go ahead. Do we have some? Wait.
Is it locked? You can.
Sorry.
You can pour the drink.
Yeah. Okay. Are you done? Are you done? Good. And you? Okay. Okay. Then.
Show your cards.
Okay, leave you. Leave you is pretty close with 82.
What is this number?
Then, yeah, not only that you will come again, you will bring companions. That's Rico was 75 and Pekka said 102%. I think that was leave
I think it's 0.1. It's 0.1. Okay. So it's leave
okay,
you, right?
that was leave you. Then,
are you
question.
doing web automation with robot framework? yes, I do, or no, I use Robot Framework for other things. What's your guess? What's your guess for the yes?
Okay.
Done? And you're done? It's 67.
Whoa!
Almost.
Okay.
Almost perfect.
Leave you at 28, 61, and Pekka was with 68. You are aware of the situation that if you win, you will be beaten outside?
We told you to lose.
Oh, by the way.
So which? Oh, maybe you read it.
So that's basically out of these, what was it? 80% or so. By the way, I have still no coin. Has someone something like €2 coin or something like this, cash, that I can flip the coin? Anyone, please?
You can flip my phone if you want.
No. You can flip your phone. Do you have any coin? Anyone?
Or credit cards accepted also.
20 cents. Okay, thank you. Are you good? Okay, leave you, put it away. Put it away. 3, 2, 1, and show it. Pekka, show it. What is fifth?
What is it? SL?
Okay.
Is it in Finnish?
I think, Pekka was confused. That's definitely. Let's show the results. Oh, good 50-50. Rico won that point.
1 point.
So Livio was 32, Rico was 41 with browser, and Pekka did not understand the question.
You told me to lose.
Okay, next question. Please wipe it away.
You took it
Which
seriously.
specification technique do you like more? Keyword-driven or behavior-driven? So that's an important question for Daniel, because maybe no one likes behavior-driven, so all his nights and days of working and not eating and so on was just wasted. Okay, so keyword-driven, reveal, wait a second, now. Okay, oh, up, that would be close.
84.
Ooh.
Pekka again.
Pekka with 80. Rico was 65 and Levi was 78. Very good.
So how many questions do we have still? Like 46?
What was it? 48? No, 42? I think we had 8 or so.
Yeah.
But we are quicker than estimated. And we have still 20 minutes time, you see?
Cool.
It's still on the clock, it's 20 minutes. So.
Or it's 2000.
It's 2000. Good.
So next question.
Python library or user keywords? What are you writing more? Oh, come on, no, make a real number. Don't give it away so good, so easy. Come on. Okay, you can reveal.
Pekka, is it binary? Or
2. So now it's at 10%, 75% like Python more, and Livio say 24% do more Python. No, sorry, that was not Python, that was a user keyword, like 75 do user keywords.
Yeah.
Livio
Rico.
24. Rico won that.
Rico, point for Rico.
Yeah, very good.
What?
No, wait a minute.
Yeah, Rico won.
I think that was in one of the questions before as well.
Okay, no, yeah.
The results was true.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We can have a video. Okay, can you give us the video recording on? Maybe. Okay, so the first one. No. Your numbers was 70. What? 75 for Python. You had 24 for Python, and that means Livio is with 24 closer to 36. Right? Yes.
So again, 1 point for Livio, right?
Yeah.
So which VS Code plugin are you using? Is it Robot Code or Robot Framework Language Server? And you're guessing Robot Code number. So I can tell you which I'm using if that helps you.
I can tell you which they will use next year. Yeah. And why are you still using something deprecated, right? So that's the next question. Okay, 1 second, and lock and show. So robot code 44, that will be a tight race, 44, 40, and 80. I think, Pekka, you're way out of line yet. Let's show the result. Oh, yeah, that's Livio this time. For those who are doing Robot Framework Language Server will soon publicly announce to be on search for maintenance because the company maintaining it are switching away from Robot Framework.
So the current score is Pekka 3, Rico 1, and Livio 4 points. Everyone still have a chance because we still have like 35 questions.
Yeah. So I explicitly did not say like more or hate more, or probably it's a positive question. So which drink, beer or Lonkero? You did your number? Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Good. Are you good? No. Just say A or B. Beer or Lonkero. No explanation. Are you good?
Whoa.
So that was for beer, right?
Yeah.
It was the same. Yeah, beer was first. So Rico with 74. No.
Oh.
68 is just 3 away. Rico is with 75. He is 4 away, if I'm counting correctly, right? That was a tight one. And Pekka was out. Okay. So still, Pekka, you can win. And we go to the next question. Was it the... I'm actually not sure how many come, actually.
So
really, I mean...
do you go to Vala after party?
Yeah, like today evening.
It's today.
6, roughly? 6 o'clock?
I think it starts 7. No, 5? 5 p.m.
No, I think we leave here at 5.
No, I think it starts at 5. But anyway.
Just show up.
Yeah.
Okay, put it away. This the pen. Okay, so 60% of you. And 63 is pretty close there.
And it's Livio again.
Let's Livio again.
Yep.
Okay, maybe you will get beaten today. It's just the rule of the game. I can't change them now, yeah.
So, and then for real, how many questions do we have left?
I have actually no clue. I forgot. I totally passed out. I really forgot. How many time do we have? Oh, that's good. That's not. I thought we were negative already.
That's good because I think this is the last one.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So, what is more important for you at RoboCon?
Are you good? Pens away. No!
He just wanted to scratch her.
After the next 30 questions, you will get it. Okay. I know. I Googled just for common names, and then I called him. So, okay, show it. It's locked now. Oh, that will be okay. So watching the talks is the question we are asking for. And it was 56%, which is
so
pretty close
it's Rico.
to Rico.
Yeah. One
okay.
for Rico. But I guess that's all we have.
That's actually all. Thank you very much, Rico. Congratulations. And maybe a small fun fact about Rico's travel here. So you have maybe met Dave. Dave, are you here? Dave from Australia? Shout out loud. How long was your travel from door to door? 36. Okay, you have still beaten Rico. No, you have not, right? You only the ferry was already 30, right?
Ferry was 30. Getting to Travemünde was, thanks to the German railways, 7 hours. So getting to Travemünde was 7 hours, thanks to the great work of my employer.
And waiting for the ferry?
Waiting for the ferry, about 2 hours, and 1 hour here in Helsinki. So I think.
And the ferry was 30 hours, right?
Ferry was 30 hours, so I think I beat you by about 5 hours.
Yeah. So. If you choose Deutsche Bahn travel accommodation, you can even be longer away than from from Australia to here. So, thank you, Rico, for this long travel, and congratulations again.
Yeah. Let's give a big applause to our participants, our players.
And Livio, well done.
Are you announcing the scores?
And next up is lunch.
I think
we also have sponsor talks during the lunch, so you can take your food, come here. And enjoy the sponsor talks. And Gofore is one of them, and they asked me to read this. So Gofore is a pioneer in an ethical digital world, believes in digitalization, the way forward for every business and area of our society. They asked me, Mika Haikonen is here and
play another game
to tell us more about Gofore. I'll be there.
We have not revealed the winner yet. That was just a congratulations for the final round. So that damn guy won it again. So Livio has now his whole family dressed in Robot Framework merch because he will be speaker next year. He anyway gets free tickets. So next year he will also bring his auntie and his mom to RoboCon. So see you next year again.
Thank you.